What's going on, team? Happy freaking Tuesday. I hope all of you are having a wonderful morning so far. All right, so y'all, spring is here. Summer is coming, and that means sun's out, guns out, baby. Okay, so we are covering the bicep curl. There are so many different variations when it comes to a bicep curl involving either cables, bands, barbells, dumbbells, kettlebells, incline, decline. There are so many different variations with the biceps. Okay, so I'm just going to cover 8, and I say just, it is a lot, but there are so many variations with the bicep curl that I'm going to cover 8 that you don't need any other equipment but dumbbells. Okay, so I'm not going to do bench curls or preacher curls or incline curls. I'm not going to do any of that. And the key with all 8 of these variations is form. So 7 out of the 8 variations have the same key points regarding form. So let's talk about it, okay? So first, the biceps, okay? So technically there are 3 muscles that involve the bicep. You have the bicep long head, short head, and then a muscle called the biceps brachii, which actually there's a muscle that inserts down on the forearm and then inserts somewhere in the upper mid arm. So that's the muscle that gives the peak, if you will, right? Like that height on the bicep. That is the showboat muscle. We all like that muscle. All right. So form. All right. What are the key points? Number 1. We are not gremlins, okay? Our society is bringing us into gremlin mode. We're right here with our phones. We're right here on our computers. So we are anti-gremlin training, all right? Tall chest, all right? So nice tall chest, shoulders are back. Those 2 points, I want you to keep in mind, all right? Shoulders back, tall chest. 3rd point, keep your elbows by your side, all right? So you're not doing this or like something weird, okay? Don't do anything weird, all right? Try to keep your elbows down by your side. 4th point, extend your arms all the way, all right? So, we're not T-Rexes, all right? We're not T-Rex gremlins, okay? I want you to get that full range of motion, stretch out that muscle, and then come up and curl, okay? So, what are the variations? Here we go. Are you ready? So first, you have a hammer curl. Okay, so again, shoulders are back. Your wrist stays neutral. Okay, so you turn into a hammer. All right, so turning into a hammer curl, all the way up, all the way down. Then you have a supinated grip. Okay, so palms are facing out or up, depending on which way you word it. Okay, palms are facing up. Again, shoulders are back. You come up, you bring them down. You have a reverse curl or a pronated grip. Same thing, okay? Palms are facing your thighs. You come up, and then you bring it down. Then you have a mixed grip. You start out in a hammer curl, and then somewhere up in the middle, you twist up at the top, and then you untwist, and then bring it back down, okay? Then another mixed grip is a Zottman's curl. So you start out in the supinated grip. You curl, you reverse it on the way down. This one's fun, all right? So up at the top, twist. Next, you have a cross-body curl. So you're doing a cross-body curl. You'll see a lot of the gym bros do this. This is fun. So you come across your body. My fist ends up in the opposite shoulder, okay? Come back down. You get that full extension. You go again. All right. Then you have a wide curl. So palms are out, and then you reach out towards the side, right? So we've been working right in front of us. Now let's go out to the side, go back down. Okay. And then you could even do a narrow grip, right? So dumbbells are together, up, back down. Okay. All right. Last one, a concentrated curl. Okay, so you'll see this one like with old school dudes curling. Okay, so they're usually seated. So if you do have a chair, you can be sitting down. If you don't have a chair, you can be kneeling like me. Okay. Elbow starts out against your thigh. Okay, and then you curl. Bring it back down, and you curl. So the idea here is your thigh is stopping your elbow from going back, okay? So you're right here, make sure you get that full extension of your arm, come up, back down, come up. All right, okay, I think that was all eight variations. If y'all have any questions about the bicep curl, please drop them in the comments below, or let me know which one is your favorite. Mine personally is the Zottman's curl. I really like that one. And then if you have an exercise that you want me to coach you up on or break down, leave that in the comment below and I'll add it to my list. But other than that, I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. Go in.